you trying to bug him while he's napping? I guess, in all fairness, he is laying in the pile of food. Is he laying in all your hay? Oh. Look it, we have a new window to match our skylight. And another pond. But that's not all. At least the horses are having fun. Do you guys like the new window? Really, Bean? Hey? Or at least you're making a mess over there. She just can't get it comfortable enough to roll in. You need morning moo cuddles? Oh, good morning. Sleeping in. Good morning. Morning blue kisses. This is the best, isn't it? Oh. Oh, I love you too. Oh, I just love you too. Right here. Look at all that. That. You're a brat. And then here's a little counterpart here. Excuse me, sir. What a beautiful night it is here. Look at the moon. Clear sky. And some horses. What are you doing? Being a stinker. Night. Look at his beautiful eye. Oh, thanks. Thanks, Abel. You guys are brats. Easy. Get that gorgeous sunset. This is why we can't have anything nice. You've been hanging out with socks too long. Cheeky. Don't bite me or I'll bite you back. He's so ticklish. Oh. Socks, what are you doing? Cheeky. Look at this. Blueberry, be nice. I know Rio kind of deserves it, but be nice. You love the mud. It was a clean blanket. Rio. Hey, handsome. Go to your box. A little faster than that. Go on. Keep going. Keep going. Good boy. Tonight's night check snack is going to be peppermints. Do you want peppermint? They smell so good. Double. Peppermint? Really? Just got a mouthful of hay? I don't really like peppermint. No? Really? I'll see if it's in there. I'm pretty sure my booger liquor doesn't like peppermints. Gus, Gus. Want to try this? Nope, he's very offended. Okay, that's over 2. Danny, you want a peppermint? And Denny likes them. You want peppermint? A minty horse breath. Do you want another one? Absolutely, he says. Trinity, snack time. Peppermint. You don't want any, do you? Should we show everybody that you're starting to show? Hey? Oh, you're not crazy about peppermint anymore? That baby turning you off of things? Look at her. There's a baby in there. We're getting excited. I mean, we still have a long way to go, but we're still getting excited. Cash? And peppermint? Good smile for us. Good boy. Well, come here. Here. Well, you don't want it? All that effort and you don't want it? You sure? Too much peppermint, lick it. He doesn't want the flavor anymore. You don't like them. Try again. If looks good, kill. You want peppermint? Piranha lips. Look at those things. Like it? I think that's a yes. You're welcome. Oh, you're a messy munchkin. Here you go. Was it? No? Not a peppermint lover? You dropped it. Again. What do you think? Or another one? Here's Barton. Peppermint. Oh, you dropped it. Another one. Good. Yeah, pretty good. Handsome little face. Want peppermint? Come here. Good night. You didn't even chew it. No one? He takes it so gentle. Want peppermint? You like those? Another one? Can you take it gentle like Night? Oh yeah. Okay, so Izzy really likes them. Yes, you do. Comment. Peppermint here. It must be really minty for you guys. Did you even taste that? But you, missus. And your pretty pink nose. These are mostly a hit. Label didn't really like it. Bean didn't really like it. Gus definitely doesn't like them. Lila likes it. Pretty inexpensive snack. Is that good? Hope everybody's doing fantastic on this rainy Thursday evening. Everybody here is great. A little bit soggy, but they're really good and happy. Look on it. And his cute little jammies. Good night, buddy. Hi, Daisy girl. Everybody's all tucked in. Good night, night. You like these so much? I think you do. I think you do. You're a mooch. Yeah. Look at this. Gosh, you don't even like them. Here's one for you. Oh, you made me drop the bag. You're a sassy heart. Okay? How cute can you look? Is that the best you got? Okay? You got a different moochy face than that? That's pretty cute. Oh, kisses. Can I kiss it? Oh, it's such good kisses. Minty breath. For another one? Stop. Hey. Oh. Come on. You want it? That's weird. Here. Is that all you wanted? There's a different angle. I don't even think I need to ask you if you want another one. I'm almost pepperminted right out. I think I've had my fair share of these this evening.